Hello, whose birthday is that? Is that your birthday? Happy birthday! Let's give you some birthday present. And start with a heart. Don't forget to make it cute with big bow. That's what I'm talking about. Now let's do it again to make it bigger. After that, we draw a ribbon around it. And then we finish the heart. Looks nice, but that's just the top. Now we have to draw the box also. Good job, let's do all that again. Oh, I'm sorry, I totally forgot the end of the ribbon. And finally, it's coloring time. I'm applying the red color on the box because the heart is always red. Also, red color is always nice. I love red. Do you like red? We can see red color everywhere, in a watermelon, a strawberry, a heart, a tomato, and I have a red t-shirt. Be careful with all the details. Let me tell you a secret. There's something really nice inside the box, but you might need something magic to open the present. And yes, red for all over the box. Ta-da! It's so cute! Now let's use some yellow glitter for the bow. Almost done. Isn't it nice? Who doesn't want to get this present, right? But to open this box, you need a magic stick. And it's a stick with a magic stars on it. Just like this. And don't forget to do that again before you color it. Now let's put some color on the stick. I will use some green, and a brighter green at the end of the stick. And let's use some silver glitter for the star. That's where you can see the magic. Now let's go open the present to see what is inside. Oh, surprise, surprise! A lot of candy. Now enjoy your candy and see you next time.